What's up, guys? I got kind of an interesting thing going on here today. That's all liquid out of wood that I've been burning, and that sludge is basically ash. Pretty thick, nasty stuff. Oops, and I just made a huge mess. I was trying to catch that stuff anyway. Jackass. So at any rate, I've decided the efficiency of this pump has just dropped below acceptable limits. It's getting really dirty in there. We're gonna crack this thing open and take a look at it. I'm kind of interested to see what we find. I think it's gonna be a really dirty mess in there. I'm starting to hear a grinding noise, so I'm worried that the blade could chop itself in half. It is a plastic blade, so let's check this thing out. So here we are, fellas, back in the shop, and this thing is just beat down. Now, I've probably posted 80 videos since we installed this thing. I'm going to confirm that. I don't know the exact number. I'll try to display that. But, yeah. Let's try that. Oh, man, dude. Looks like one of the tunnels in the power plants I have to crawl around in at work. I'm out of alignment there with my rotor. I wonder if that inhibits performance any. Definitely a very small intake, but that's the tubing I have. So she's ready for a cleaning, I'd say. This is probably at the very least 50 fires. If I've posted 80 videos, it's probably every bit of 50 fires. And these were, a lot of them were very wet material. So a lot of what we're seeing here, for the most part, is ash and moisture buildup. I need to build a better cyclone. High-speed cyclone would probably be better. Something that's a little bit better at removing the dirt. And clear, except a little weld I probably put in that. Man, I need something. Oh man. I was worried about the eating sound that I heard, the rubbing of the blade, because this is a plastic blade. That's all ash and moisture. That first design I was running was blowing ash. Ooh, man, I put that up. The first design was blowing a lot of ash into the system. And that's the result of it. But I've changed that now to a cyclone flow. So I definitely got some cleaning to do there. The blade isn't in too bad a shape. These outer edges definitely need cleaned. So I'm going to clean that sucker up and get some heat going tonight. This thing definitely hates me at this point. I believe this is a reverse screw. Yeah, I'm an idiot. Okay. Might be a little froze on there. This ain't gonna be good. So what I'm gonna have to do is gently, or possibly spray something in there. Get some penetrant. Now I hope this doesn't eat this plastic. I'm kind of reluctant to do that. Maybe I should just work at this a second. Definitely got hot. Let's see here. Maybe if I... Man, that sucker ain't budging. There it goes. About it. Yeah, what the hell? I ain't got all day here. Oh, great. There we go. Yeah, you can tell I'm not a safety buff, eh? I'm safe. I just knew the pressure in that can was low. It's all good, man. I got safety glasses on, for crying out loud. You gotta use them if I'm gonna wear them. All right, so I'm not gonna make you watch me fight this thing. So we're gonna get it off and check out the other side. I'm interested to see if my cooling duct worked. I left a little annular gap in the axle area so that air would flow around and cool that axle off so it wouldn't heat it up and boil all the oil out of our bearings in the motor. All right, guys, so my phone died on me there. But basically what I was getting at was I've discovered one of the best solvents for creosote happens to be motor oil, used motor oil. For whatever reason, cuts into this stuff better than any solvent you'll use. Gas, acetone, all that stuff, it will not cut this gunk. I don't know what it is about this stuff, but it is the hardest stuff to cut with a solvent I've ever seen. And I got the idea from my girlfriend, who uses baby oil to dissolve this tarry-like wax stuff she uses to wax her eyebrows and all that crap. But at any rate, that stuff dissolves, baby oil dissolves that stuff. So I decided to try some oil on a different blower fan that I built, and sure enough, it dissolves the stuff. I don't understand it. I'm gonna just cake this on here, totally saturate this blade in oil. The stuff's free, so not like I'm hurting for it. So I'm gonna let this sit here a minute. You can see it's scuffing off of there pretty good already. Now, if I was using any other solvent, this would not be happening. Last time I had to do this, it was just not a fun day. I really don't even need to clean this blade. It's pretty good shape. I just thought I'd showcase the idea of using motor oil to clean creosote off of stuff, because it does work. It'd be a little bit better if it was warm in here, but I'm gonna let that soak, like I said, and clean all this gunk out. Look at all that nasty filth. This is a lot better than chopping wood 50 times. This is gonna take me about an hour. And rather than chopping wood, I have to do this on occasion. Now that I've redesigned that thing, it's not going to be as bad either. So I do have that going for me. Well, I have it turned down a little bit at the moment, but I'm back in business at least. Still a dirty mess. But it's cleaned out inside and blowing air a lot better than it was. Now I can get back to work. Definitely a lot more smoke coming out now, and it's not on high, so I'd be lucky to get that on high before I cleaned it.